everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn inventions and inventors. Electric light bulb invented by Thomas Edison. Telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Internet invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Television invented by John Logie Baird. Computer invented by Charles Babbage. Polio vaccine is invented by Jonas Salk. Penicillin invented by Alexander Fleming. Steam engine invented by James Watt. Printing press is invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Automobile invented by Carl Benz. Radio invented by Guglielmo Marconi. X-ray machine is invented by Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen. Refrigerator is invented by Jacobs Perkins. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.